Hi, on this channel we talk information systems without coding. My name is Hans. Today I'm going to talk about the smallest possible system you can build with Mockotype. The smallest possible system to build with Mockotype. First we start Mockotype application up. We already have an example model, but we going to throw that away. And we right click, or rather we can do it like this. Define information, add a new class, add attributes to that class, add a new attribute of type string. New class, new attribute of type string. Define views, update auto forms. Now we get an auto form for the new class and for a seeker and the index. If we save this, under a name called mini, and we can go to the prototyper and we can either start the VPF prototyper on this, to search for new class 1, which we don't have any, but we can create and set the attribute, the new attribute. Save, back, search. Let's make another one. So that's the VPF prototyper running the smallest conceivable system we can do with Mockotype. Let's test the turnkey prototyper. If we try to start it now, I get an error because I haven't downloaded the turnkey application. So I do that by clicking check MDriven turnkey core. Once it downloads, I start it, and I can see that the application has started. And I have the same application as I had in VPF, but now running in HTML. So I can search and see my two objects of type new class. And I can click them up and change them and save. I can create a new one. So let's see what we got on the view models. We got the new class, which is this one, just containing the new attribute 1. The seeker for the same. And the index page. Even if this is a very small system, it's still fully functional. And if I were to do changes to make it a bit like add a new attribute and update the auto forms from that, and saving that model, I can see that the application is automatically updated for me, and I can put in data in this new attribute. So this is the smallest possible system that I can think of anyway. slightly more complex system would be to add another class and draw an association between the two. So there can be many class 1s connected to one new class. Let's add an attribute on that as well. And update outer forms. Saving that model. And we have a button which can list the new class 1s. We don't have any. So I'm going to add a new one. So this is my class 1. So just a small example on how you can get started with Mockotype to do the smallest conceivable system. If there is anything particular that you want to see, that you want me to show with Mockotype, please reach out in the comment section or at our Facebook page and let us know, and I will do my best to do a video about that. Thank you.